everyone, welcome to Motovlog on my channel. My name is Marshall3498, and on today's Motovlog what I'll talk about is motorcycle related as usual on my channel, but it's kind of related to motorcycling, but it's kind of also related to my channel as a whole, and that is I'm done with GoPro. I've had pretty good lucks with GoPros. This is my second one. My first one was a GoPro Hero 4 Silver that I used for a couple years on this channel, and the one I'm using now is a GoPro Hero 8 Black that I bought basically refurbished or like new on Amazon. And you know, I've had it now for 3 or 4 years, but it's just getting where I use a media mod in the one I'm using, not the mic adapter thing. I've not even had any trouble out of that, except a time or two I forget to plug in my mic that's in my helmet to the GoPro. Of course, that's my fault, not the media mod's fault. But here lately, it's been like I'll go out to go film a couple motovlogs for a day that I have free to go riding and to go riding to, and I make 2 videos per se that day. Excuse me. And then the third one, I get back home, start going to the footage to edit it and stuff. And the third one, it's like this has happened like 3 times. Like the third video I've made, it just has like, it starts recording, it starts the video, and then like a minute and a half in, then I have just a picture with my voice as the audio, and the video just shuts off. It doesn't say, in the file editing, it doesn't say bad file or SD card error or any of that, and it's not even the SD card. This is like the extreme SanDisk SD card that I'm using, more than capable of fast enough SD card for what I'm doing. Yes, granted, this SD card has made a lot of videos, but I even switched to one that I use in my B camera that I kind of quit using for a little while, which is the same exact thing, just use less. And that doesn't work either. It's like, really? And I'm over it. I'm going to purchase the DJI Osmo Action 4 very soon. Maybe even by the time I purchase it, it might be the video after this, the first one. But it will take me a couple videos to get my settings the way I like them, as far as the way the video looks and the audio. I knew the DJI does have a mic gain or where you can turn the mic gain up or down, so it'll take a couple videos for me to figure out how I like that. As far as the sound coming out of it, granted you can still turn it up or down in post if you know what you're doing. Not that hard to do, especially in DaVinci Resolve 18 that I use. Really a really good editing software that's free. It has a lot of layers though, and is somewhat complicated, but there are lots of tutorials out there online to learn how to use it. For the most part, get the basics down. It's going to take some time to learn it, but there's lots of tutorials out there that'll help you along the way. I know I've watched tons of them myself, but sorry, I might have chopped the video up, but it hasn't been reliable, and mainly the remote that I'm using has been the worst thing. Like it just did. It just showed a like a Wi-Fi thing, like it wasn't connected. Now the timer shows back up, and I don't even think the time matches the time that's I just seen in the mirror, in the rearview mirror when I stopped, that even matches the GoPro. But GoPros are fine, but it seems like mine here lately especially has been really hit or miss. But I've been lucky. I've made, I don't know how many videos of mine, a bunch. Probably 150 was the one I'm using now before it really started messing up, so I guess I'm lucky. But they just do weird stuff, like just for no reason. Like, I haven't changed any of the settings that I use for the, as far as like, the Pro Tuning settings or any of that in a long time. And it just, I make sure, that I use GoPro branded batteries and all that stuff, and it still doesn't like to work all the time at all. I don't know why. But I'm just saying, I'm going away from GoPro, so those of you who still may love the GoPros, I don't think they're bad cameras, but I'm kind of done with the whole GoPro dance thing, and looks like the DJI Osmo Action 4 will be a good one, especially for the battery life, to take in and off mounts. It just seems like a better camera overall. DJI really does a lot to improve all their stuff with firmware and updates. You know, they're known for drones, which are flying cameras essentially, but I'm ready to try something different. You know, and the remote that I'm using, which is a smart remote, it works. It actually works great when it wants to. It seems like here lately, that's why I kind of stopped using the B camera, because I use the remote for both cameras to start and stop them at the same time, and it works fine most of the time with one camera. But you put two on there, even though it supposedly can run up to, like, I don't know, 25 of them or something crazy at once. Put more than one, it just does not like it. Almost every time I'll have to repair one camera or both. If I use two GoPros to the remote, and then it'll make like one video or two, and then after that it'll just like one camera will stop recording completely, and the other one's still going, and I didn't even hit the button on it. It's very strange. But on that, guys, that's about all about today's motovlog. If you've not already done so, please comment down below, subscribe if you've not already done so, and turn the bell on. Ride safe and have fun. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.